So you're wondering, how does Skool games work? Well, let's dive into the details of this platform that promises to help you gamify your learning or community experience. Stick around, because by the end, I'll be sharing some alternatives that might just be better suited for your goals, and some exclusive deals to get you started. First off, Skool Games is built around creating communities and courses with a focus on engagement. Think of it as a platform where you can not only host educational content, but also create an interactive experience where learning feels like a game. It blends elements of online learning with game mechanics to keep people engaged. It's a pretty innovative way to learn, but it's not the only solution out there. Next thing, Skool is known for its simplicity. The interface is clean, and you don't need to be a tech genius to use it. Whether you're building a course or setting up a community, it's all streamlined. But with that simplicity comes limitations. While it's easy to get started, Skool doesn't have as many advanced features compared to other platforms that focus on learning management or community building. For those looking for more customization or in-depth analytics, you might feel a bit boxed in. Moving on, one key feature of Skool is its game element, which encourages community members to engage and learn more through rewards. This gamification keeps users motivated, but it can also feel forced if you're not the type to thrive in such an environment. Skool attempts to make learning fun, but there might be better options if you're looking for something less focused on constant points or leaderboards. Next up, Skool integrates things like discussions, content, and even live events all in one place, which sounds great in theory, but some users feel the layout can get a bit clunky. While you can gamify your experience, it sometimes feels like you're working within a confined space, too many elements trying to coexist on the same page, making it harder to focus on the content itself. Then we have the pricing. Skool doesn't offer a free tier, and some might argue that the subscription fee could be a bit steep, especially when you compare it to platforms that give you more features at a similar price or lower. For example, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific might give you more control over your branding or a deeper set of tools for course creation, though they may not have Skool's gamification features. Now, the fourth thing, Skool is really focused on creating a tight-knit community, but this can also be a double-edged sword. The platform tends to favor a more closed, exclusive approach, meaning it can feel like you're either in or out. For larger, more diverse audiences, this can be limiting. So if you're looking for a broad community with a wide array of people, you might want to consider other platforms that don't impose such strict membership controls. But here's the real kicker. While Skool does a lot of things well, especially if you're into community engagement and gamification, there are better platforms out there for those looking for more advanced course building, broader community features, or more flexibility in terms of content customization. That's why I recommend checking out some alternatives that are more suitable for specific goals. I'll be linking these alternatives below, and they also come with free trials, so you can test them out for yourself without any commitment. And through the links, you'll be getting exclusive benefits not available anywhere else. So, yes, Skool Games works well for certain types of users, but it's not for everyone. If you want to try out a platform with more features or something better aligned with your goals, don't miss the links below.